too dramatic. I'm tired of letting this little slide.
You had a disagreement. That's it.
On June 4th, 2025, at Fort Lauderdale Hollywood International Airport, a man assaulted his girlfriend over accusations of cheating. The incident escalated into a physical confrontation, resulting in both individuals being removed from the aircraft. Despite the police's attempts to de-escalate the situation, he persisted in his behavior, leaving them with only one option.
I don't know if we need to go up or down a level.
Bravo 50, copy escalate. Bravo 50,
Pardon me.
I don't give a shit
Hey
for
guys,
everybody.
have a seat.
We is good, bro. I'm
Good
having
evening.
a whole bad day. No,
Hey,
that's
hey,
my girlfriend.
young
We
man.
is okay, bro.
Young man,
Yes.
talk to me.
We just having a bad disagreement. Today's been a
Yes,
bad
y'all
day.
have been having a bad day.
A bad day.
And you
all day.
almost didn't even make it out here. So what's the
I'm
problem
trying to
now?
make it out of here right now.
All right.
I'm good. You can ask her if she
All right.
okay and everything.
Come
She
on, young
okay.
lady, let's go take a walk.
Yeah.
31. I'm at Echo Street.
No, you're not. No, you're not.
Good
Ask
morning.
her. Ask her. Talk to her. That's
Ma'am.
my girlfriend.
You here with them or do you? Are you here with them?
I literally, I just sat out.
Pick another seat.
Yeah.
I appreciate you.
Right. I ain't trying to go to jail. You're getting close. I'm sorry. I'm trying to sit here on my gate and go. This is the same.
I know.
Yeah.
I
Babe,
know.
you okay, babe? You all right? Everything all right, babe?
You gonna stop crying or talk to me? What's going on, man?
Bro. Like, listen, we just having bad shit. I gotta shit over here, bro. That shit. We get on the flight, go home, and go our ways, bro. That's
Whatever it is, it's verbal, so you can still talk to me because no one saw it and one hurt anyone. Right? What's her name?
her name is Gia. She good.
Okay.
You can talk to her.
No, you don't need to stop talking.
We're about tired of you, man.
Hey, do me a
Listen to
favor.
me.
Hey,
We're about tired of you, so stop.
hey, do me a favor. Stand over there with him, okay? You can leave it right there, man.
It's gonna pass this- it's
Or put it in your
over.
pocket.
I'm about to. Hello?
Ma'am,
My phone, babe.
do you need police assistance? Do you need police assistance, ma'am?
Security advisory.
I'll give you a minute.
For your safety, please do not leave baggage unattended. Unattended baggage will be removed and may be discarded. All persons must maintain control of their personal property, including carry-on baggage and check baggage, to avoid transporting items without
Ma'am, do you want to talk to me?
carrying firearms to a TSA screening checkpoint of an airport is prohibited by federal law and regulations. Check all carry-on baggage for firearms before entering the TSA screening checkpoints. Do not leave vehicles unattended on the curb. Unattended vehicles will be promptly ticketed and towed at the owner's expense.
What time's your flight, ma'am?
Your safety is our business. Please help us help you.
2:15. So,
Say something.
you and your
Report
significant other have been in contact with the police 3 times already.
Officer, TSA officer,
3 times.
or representative.
Okay, but actually, we're here right now because you started screaming and yelling.
Broward County
So why are we screaming and yelling?
International Airport is doing
Why are we
its part
screaming
to
and yelling?
combat human trafficking. It's estimated that over 25 million
If someone had hurt you,
worldwide
all of these people would have seen it. So why are you making a scene?
It's happening.
Is everything all right? Do you need police assistance?
South Florida.
Really gonna hurt. That's why I scream. I'm not gonna scream for no reason.
Okay, so what's going on now?
Law enforcement officials can thoroughly investigate.
I'm not gonna talk to you. You're acting like an asshole. I'm not gonna talk to you.
Issue.
You just get over it.
3 Bravo 41,
You want to talk to me? We'll start fresh. You can talk to me. Listen, stop crying and just tell me what's up real quick. Okay? I'll help you out if I can. I'm not going to be mean to you. I'm not going to be a jerk, but you got to tell me what's up. Whoa. Wait, honey, I can't understand you if you're crying. So chill for a minute and then kind of give me an idea. Where are you guys going? You traveling together?
I'm going in Buffalo, yeah, he has my plane ticket,
Okay.
passport.
Are you guys
stuff.
married?
No.
Just boyfriend and girlfriend? Okay, and you're going to Buffalo together, and now what happened? Were you fighting before you came to the airport, or this started here?
It started here.
Why?
First off, we got kicked off the first plane.
Why?
And then, because of an altercation, the girl thought she heard him say something. And then that altercation
A
happened.
girl like the employee?
Yeah, the employee.
Okay.
So then he got us kicked off the plane.
Okay.
And then, so I went with him because obviously he bought my ticket or whatever.
Right.
And then we came back, yeah, then he started screaming. Then we came here, he got a text message from somebody that said I was doing something, and he wanted to believe it and hit me in the freaking mouth with his phone.
So he wanted to believe some stupid shit
Yeah,
on the
something
phone.
on his phone.
Okay, that you were doing something wrong, but you weren't.
I'm touching it.
Yeah, I guess
We here because we
Stay
had
on that.
Oh, can you come up closer to me? We here because we had a disagreement. That's it. You feel me? Then we was talking. We just keep having an argument back and forth.
Is this the ongoing argument that
We done with the argument. It's over. We was sitting there chilling, talking. You feel me? But it's people keep calling us, telling that my girlfriend is cheating on me. You get what I'm saying? And she telling me that she not, whatever. And I'm believing her. I just want to get home. I just want to get home. That's it.
I don't know what
What's your
happened.
ID, man?
There you go.
Witnesses, I couldn't tell.
Can I just go 40 pounds for a second?
He has.
He has everything. Okay, so then he started to accuse you of whatever nonsense, and it wasn't true.
Yeah.
Okay, and then what?
And he was on my face.
Okay, and then you were arguing back and forth after that?
No, that's what I screamed when I got
Oh,
him.
you were screaming because he was up in your face
No, because he hit me in the face with the phone.
with the phone. Okay.
I don't care.
All right, hold on, babe. Don't yell. Because here's the thing. When you guys were going there to Buffalo, you going to see your people or his people?
We live together in the apartment. We do. We live
Up
together.
there or down
Yes,
here?
in Buffalo.
You and him live together in
yeah,
Buffalo?
we're coming from.
So you're going home.
Yeah.
You're not going to see somebody. Okay. Here's the thing. Forget what he's doing right now. You have to remain calm and be chill, or they're not going to let you fly. So, like, don't yell over there. Don't, get, with it, fuck him, right?
Bravo 30, units off that one.
Just listen to him real quick.
This is where we're at. You and him have a ticket to leave.
Alright. Bravo 30.
30, go ahead.
This is your passport, correct?
Yes, we are. Thank you.
More interaction with us, they're gonna cancel all of your tickets.
So I was
and
just-
you're gonna have to go to Miami.
That's what I was just telling her.
This is the last place you can actually fly out at this
Anything
time. You understand what I'm saying? What I'm saying is, I'm gonna give you a chance to get on your plane and leave. But no more dramatics. No more dramatics.
Nobody was being dramatic.
Ma'am,
If
I'm not
you get
accusing you.
fucking hit in the face, you're not acting dramatic. I'm tired of letting this little nigga slide, embarrassing us throughout the whole
here's the thing.
airport.
Here's the thing,
I
man.
don't
You were
care.
talking to me a second ago. That's not the way you were talking to me.
Yeah, because he came in here
I'm gonna walk away.
doing something.
Talking to me very calm. So let's remain that way. Let's remain that way. Look at me.
I can't be
Look-
calm when
hey,
he
hold
when
on.
he was talking
Hold
nonsense
on.
about this person that I always let slide.
Okay.
And do everything.
I
and
feel
make us
you.
look crazy.
I feel you, but let's keep it classy. You. Forget him. Talking about you right now, let's keep it classy. Because you know what? If he acts stupid and he wants to get whatever up in here, they're going to tell him, all right, you're not flying, sir. That doesn't mean you can't fly. You're not attached to him. At this point, you have your own ticket, your own thing in your hand, right? You got to be chill and just stay to
No,
yourself.
I can't go on the next flight. I have to go to work. I can't go. I didn't even get kicked off the plane.
What's your
He
final
should be
destination?
going.
Buffalo.
I cannot. I didn't
Leave
even
on
get
there.
kicked off the first plane.
You can go next.
Okay. See what just happened?
They
Okay.
said that.
No, see what just happened? You're
I
going to
didn't
go on
get
the next
kicked
one.
off the first plane.
You're going to go on the next one, and they're going to bump him. That way you don't argue on the plane. That way you don't have to put up with him. You don't have to look at him. You don't have to deal with him. You're going to fly on the next flight. He's going to get bumped to the one after that. Okay?
A decision right now. You're not leaving with him.
Okay, can I
Because
leave
whatever
at the first
happened,
place?
whatever happened,
Yes.
it's still here.
Okay, no
Because y'all
problem.
bought it here.
Right.
All right. So right now,
Yes.
you're gonna walk out with this gentleman. We're gonna rebook you. There's no more questions.
Wait,
There's
Mr.
no
Mr.
more.
I gotta
That's.
go. I gotta
There's
go
no
to
more.
work.
No.
I have
Let's go.
Can I get on this?
No.
She get on the next one?
No.
I will pay for her to get on the next one.
I already told you.
Move.
Like I said, you just keep it cool. Don't play into the games or bullshit. If you start yelling,
I didn't do that. You did that to yourself.
if you start yelling, what did I just say? If you start yelling at him and getting whatever, they're not going to let you fly either. You got to be calm.
I'm a patient. Stop talking to him, man. Just walk. Stop. Unless you want to go to jail. And that's a bond. All right, keep walking.
Guys, sorry.
Stop. Unless you want to go to jail. And that's a bond. All right, keep walking.
Guys, sorry.
Okay, put your hand behind your back. I'm not even doing that.
Hey, relax.
I ain't relax, bro. I just relax. I'm pissed off, bro. Please, y'all. Please, y'all. Can you take me to my gate, man?
You're under arrest.
Please, can you take me to my gate, bro? Please, all I did was fall, bro. I'm pissed off, bro. I'm not acting stupid, bro. I'm really just mad as hell. Y'all don't understand what I went through today. I got a whole funeral to go to at 5 o'clock, and y'all not understanding this. I missed the funeral already, my great-grandmother. What the fuck, babe? You really gonna let these people do this to me in the airport?
Doing it to yourself.
You love me? Like, that's crazy, bro. That is crazy, my love.
But hear me out. I don't want this to grow to everywhere where they
What
try to
just happened right
trespass
there?
you. Well,
Ma'am, stay here.
Can I get the money at least, or or my charger?
He's not going to give it up, and I can't take it from
Oh,
him.
the charger in his pocket. My phone's gonna die.
I know, but
I have a stop somewhere though, sir. My phone's gonna die.
I will see if I can get it.
it.
Please come back and sit down.
And he just got arrested.
Well, because he wants to act like a fool. That's why I keep telling you to calm down and just be chill.
That's crazy. Lift me up, guys. Please, can y'all lift me up? I'm not doing nothing.
Come to me.
I'm contained, bro. Like, I'm contained, bro. There's only money in my stuff.
Hey, he's got a bunch of money. Can someone grab this?
Bro, can you please not arrest me? Can I go to the PI?
One, bring your knees up to your chest. 2,
I'm a drink, bro. Can you walk me to the gate, bro? Really did you like this, bro? That's crazy. Yeah, that's crazy, dude. That's crazy. I'm gonna calm down, Mr. Hall. Please just take me to my gate. Please, guys.
You're under arrest. You're going to jail.
I don't even know the laws out here, bro. Please, Mr. Hall. I'm begging you, please. Please, man, please. What the fuck? Please, I'm begging you, bro.
We're walking this
I'm
way.
walking. I'm be quiet. Y'all want to be
I
quiet.
got
I
you.
won't talk. Can I?
Don't touch anything.
I ain't touching nothing. I don't want to touch anything. I just want to talk. You feel me? Y'all really taking me to jail?
Yeah. Hang on.
Can I call my mom? Can I call my mom off my phone?
Keep your feet
Please,
in.
can I call my mom? She's all the way in New York. Please, my mom live in Buffalo, New York.
Step out. Step them out.
No, leave
turn
them
them in. Turn them in.
The suspect faces the following charges: domestic battery, disorderly conduct, resisting an officer without violence,